How to barrel age at home. Barrel aging is a great way to add complexity and depth of flavor to any wine, beer, or spirit. Doing this to your favorite drinks at home is really simple. There's nothing like the deep flavors that come from oak barrels, but they can be pretty hard on your wallet. If you've been looking for an easy way on how to barrel age at home without breaking the bank, then you're in luck because it's not as hard as it may seem. So we will walk you through some things to remember when barrel aging at home. At home barrel aging. To start, you'll need a wooden barrel to house your liquid. Oak is the best choice because it imparts a smooth and silky flavor which some people prefer over other wood varieties like maple or hickory. The barrel's thickness will determine how high quality its finish will be, so make sure to choose one with more substance or thicker. Wine shops often sell kits for aging alcohols too. Spirits that age well. Spirits like Scotch and brandy that have higher alcohol percentages are better suited for aging. Clear spirits, such as vodka and tequila, taste best when bottled immediately after distillation. Whichever you choose to indulge in at your next party or an intimate gathering, make one of your favorite cocktails with it. Barrel aging tips. Aging a cocktail with bitters. Use higher proof spirits for balance. Place your barrel in a cool, dark area, pantry, basement, or cellar. Once you've secured and stored your barrels, be sure to check them regularly for leaks. Leaks can compromise the quality of the base spirit inside. Cocktails. Traditionally made with whiskey, the old-fashioned is a classic cocktail that has been around for many years. You might be wondering what it tastes like when you swap out the whiskey for bourbon. It's mellow and sweeter than traditional versions of this drink. Bitters for after the fact. An important factor is to never put the bitters in a barrel along with the cocktail unless you are just barrel aging bitters on their own. Bitter will take over anything you age, which will very quickly destroy all the major chunk of stuff you have in the barrel. Remember the following. Plan and prepare for Engel's share. This means if you put in 12 bottles, then you get 10 bottles of worth. The more time you reserve for aging, the more you are going to lose. Be careful on sugar. Generally, the only sweetener you should be using is the liqueur itself. Ready to barrel age at home. If you reach the end of this video, please subscribe to our channel, Advanced Mixology, and hit the notification bell button for more informational videos like this.